Hi, welcome to the third section of this course, where you will learn to use natural language in your web app using Microsoft Service. Before we actually go and implement some practical steps, it is important to understand why is there a need for our apps to understand natural language. Basically, natural language processing, or NLP, is a subdivision of artificial intelligence. It focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and handle human language. Moreover, NLP combines computer science and computational linguistics to track and fill the gap between human communication and computer understanding. NLP helps the computers to read the text, hear speech, and interpret them to communicate with humans in their own language. It also supports computers by simulating the human ability to understand language. In a wider sense, understanding language is all about how two people are talking and responding to each other. In terms of web apps, natural language processing, or NLP, handles how a machine can understand your language and how your machine responds back to your commands. The goal of NLP is to make interactions between computers and humans feel exactly like interactions between humans and humans. It is very important for your app to have natural language understanding built in to become smarter. As I told you before in the first section itself, users want apps that are intelligent enough to understand their intent and serve them with the minimum input. They want to see actions and results without saying, typing, or explaining too much to the app. This leads to language understanding. Microsoft has made things easier for you with some amazing APIs.